If you're looking for healthy, slow cooker recipes that the whole family will eat, then this Vietnamese beef curry has 43 grams of protein, tastes absolutely delicious, and is a winner for meal prep. Sounds good? This is how you make it. The first thing we need to do is chop up a couple of veggies to make our Vietnamese curry paste. So we're going to use 2 white onions. It doesn't matter how finely you chop them because we're going to blitz them in the blender anyway. And then a stalk of lemongrass. Now make sure to remove most of the hard coating so you get the soft fleshy part in the middle. And then heat some oil in a frying pan, fry that onion for a few minutes until it starts to turn golden. And then add equal measures of garlic and ginger paste along with that bit of lemongrass. Then you go fry that for about 30 seconds or so, and then after that, we'll go tip it into the blender. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Add that to the blender along with 300 ml of coconut milk, not light. You want to use full fat because light can split in the slow cooker, along with the following spices that you see on screen. And then you can use chili flakes or a whole red chili. I normally would use a whole chili, but I didn't have any, so I'm using chili flakes. And then we're going to pop in 1 tablespoon of corn flour. If you're wondering why I'm doing it like this, it's because I need the rest for later. And then you blitz that until it is nice and smooth. And then you're going to pour that into the slow cooker along with 1 kilo of lean diced beef, along with that final tablespoon of corn flour to help thicken things. Give everything a good start, and then you can cook this on low, high or medium. I prefer cooking it on medium for about 6 hours until the beef is getting to that point when it starts to fall apart. And then all you need to do is just plate it up, as always, garnish with some green. I'm using some coriander, and get stuck in. Hope you enjoy this one, and as always, make sure to subscribe for more high protein recipes.